awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
Today Mahadeva is gracing us in the form of Chandrasekhara, the Leela of protecting moon. Once Prajapati Daksha, whose 27 daughters are married to moon, Chandra, the Prajapati Daksha got angry because Chandra was more attracted towards Rohini, and Daksha cursed Chandra, his own son-in-law, that you let you lose all the glory and the luminance of 16 parts. So when Chandra started losing all the parts and dying, he ran to Mahadeva and took refuge under Mahadeva, asking for protection. Mahadeva put the moon on his head. The moment Mahadeva put the moon on his head, the moon's curse disappeared. The curse cannot come to moon anymore. And thus, he protected Chandra and protected the world, because without Chandra, many herbs cannot grow. See, the medicinal quality in the herb is because of the Chandra's light, moon's light in the night. And the herb survives by the sunlight, but it acquires the healing properties by the moonlight. When the moonlight was not there, all the herbs have started losing its healing qualities. So by saving Chandra, Mahadeva became not only Chandrasekhara, Vaidyanatha also. So today Mahadeva is gracing us as a protector of the moon by wearing the moon on his crown. You can see the moon on his crown. Close up, moon on his crown. Yes. You can see the moon on his crown. So today Mahadeva is gracing all of us as a Chandrasekhara. But Mahadeva's duplicates forgot to wear the moon. So as per the tradition, it's a tradition in Madurai, because Mahadeva came in the human body and did all these leelas. One child from the Bhattar family, the Madurai Bhattar family, that child will be decorated during each leela. There are some leelas which are little complicated, so even the Bhattar himself will be decorated as Mahadeva, and they will enact the whole leela. So as per the tradition, we also follow that one Krama Brahmachari or Brahmacharini wear the dress of Mahadeva and Devi and represent them and enact. Beautiful. Only from the last Inner Awakening program I started this aspect of having every day Mahadeva in one Leela Alankara. See, he has performed 64 Leelas as per Thiruvilayadar Puranam and around 170 Leelas as per Shiva Puranam. So, every day if we decorate him in one Leela Alankar, even then almost for full year we have a way to decorate him. Last Inner Awakening I started because I wanted all these to be remembered. All these temples, the deities, all these to be protected, preserved, promoted. Any civilization will be alive only through three major pillars. One, lifestyle knowledge. Second, art and festivals. Third, language. So by the satsangs, I am keeping the lifestyle knowledge of the Vedic tradition alive. But I am not doing anything for these temples and sacred arts, festivals. That is why I decided we will have every day one festival, remembering one Leela of Mahadeva, one Shiva Leela. So that the whole science will be kept alive. These festivals will be kept alive. This temple lifestyle, temple tradition will be kept alive. And all the arts and culture related to temple will be kept alive. When you see this deity, you take it for granted. We will show you. We make everything inside our campus. We will show you. Then you will understand how much it takes to make one jewelry, one deity, one piece of jewelry this deity is wearing. So much has to be kept alive to keep these festivities and festivals. And I wanted to keep all these alive. That's the reason last Inner Awakening we started this tradition of Mahadeva will grace. Whenever there is a program, Mahadeva will grace with one Leela Alankara. And I am also working to keep this language alive by creating a Sanskrit university. So that the Vedic mantras, everything is kept alive, the tradition is kept alive, the knowledge is kept alive.
Inner Awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation, Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 7279999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.